How you guys doing, man? It's Thursday. We made it out of the day already. Work was work. Everything was good today. I can't complain. I hope you guys are doing good so far, wherever you're at. Work, school, I'm just right now, going online looking for colleges, good colleges, colleges that will, accept my credits already because I have over 60 credits. And it's like, why would I want to do another class if I already took it? That's what I don't want. I don't want to keep looking, go to college and they make me do a class I already took. Like, I don't want to do that. I already have like over 60 credits, for college. So I'm looking for that school, that college that will accept all my credits. Hopefully, Venosa College accepts it. That's all the way in Orlando. Hopefully they accept all my credits. Well, at least the majority. The majority will be good. If they accept a little bit, if they accept like half of them, then that's fine. You know what I'm saying? Then I'll just do what I gotta do, and get my bachelor's regardless. But yeah, other than that, guys, I'm gonna keep looking for good colleges. So far I got Venosa College in my mind already. I know there's another one, UCI. It's in the Orlando area as well, so I'll check that one out. So other than that, guys, that's all I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna look up some colleges, and just look for which college would benefit me and accept all my credits, and I'll just finish. Hopefully they'll take all of them. If they do, I'll just only have a year just to complete my bachelor's, and that'll be very good for me. Because I'll be working and then I'll go to school at night, and of course I'll be making my videos to keep you guys updated. On how I'm doing. So yeah, man. Other than that, guys, I can't complain about today. Today was pretty good. Work. Work was good. Today was nice. It was just windy as hell. This New York weather be crazy. Supposedly it's gonna snow again sometime on Sunday. That's WrestleMania, man. I can't. It should be a good day, man. Sunday's gonna be interesting. I can't wait for WrestleMania, so I'm looking forward to that. I just hope it doesn't snow though. That's gonna mess everything up. But anyways, guys, I hope you guys are doing great. Tomorrow's Friday. Finally, we made it through the week, and positive mindsets. Positive vibes. And get whatever things you gotta get done. Get them done. And that's the Ice Cream Man. He's coming around already. And other than that, guys, God bless you guys, and may the Lord be with us all. Have a great day. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like below. And whatever you guys want to talk about, just comment below. Whatever you need me to talk about, if just comment below and let me know what's up. If you guys that live in the Florida area, or that are out here in Long Island, New York, know any colleges that will accept my college credits, let me know. It could be any college, around the area or in Florida. Just keep me posted on that. So other than that, guys, I'll be doing my thing here. Just keep looking for colleges, and that's it, man. I'm not really doing much, like I said. And I just hope you guys have the blessed day. Enjoy the rest of your day, and catch you guys later, man. God bless. Peace.